What's one thing you've changed your mind on in the last 20 years when it comes to business?
I changed my mind a lot. I have a little piece of tape, a note taped to my window or my mirror when I brush my teeth every morning. It says, change your mind on something today.
Hmm.
Just because I know that as you get more successful, as you win more at life, and as you get more confidence and more, sure of yourself, it's so easy to just, you know, reject and turn away other information that contradicts what you believe. And I
Hmm.
think that that's a dangerous spot to be as an entrepreneur, especially when you're managing capital, other people's capital. And if you start to think that you know everything, then it opens you up to some serious problems in your business. So I encourage the trusted people around me to call me out when they think I'm wrong, and they do often. And I also use Twitter and these other tools as a place where people can give me real-time feedback. And if their arguments make a lot of sense and, they have some credibility, then I think it's a beautiful place to start to change your mind on something. But one huge one is that I don't think entrepreneurship is for everybody. You talked to me 3 years
Hmm.
ago, and I think entrepreneurship is the dream. Everybody should start a business. Everybody should found a business.
Hmm.
If you're working a normal job, then you are missing the boat.
Hmm.
And that is simply not true. It's not true at all. I think very few people are actually designed to be an entrepreneur. Not very many people want that um, stress of every problem ending with you. Not many people want the hard decisions. Not many people want the confrontation, and not many
Yeah.
people want the risk. And the downside of this is real, and we see it all the time. How it tears people up when they can't win or they can't make it. They can't hack it. And I
Hmm.
also see a lot of people who are really happy and living amazing lives,
Hmm.
going to work and getting home at 5 o'clock and hanging out with their family, exploring hobbies, doing whatever they want to do. But also, I say that to say, like, you can apply almost everything we talked about today if you work at a company, and
Hmm.
you can earn more money and live a better life by delegating, managing, leveraging other humans and win-win scenarios to build where you want to be. But I think the sad truth is that most people are not better off starting a business. They're better off getting a job.
This episode of The Sweaty Startup is brought to you by Bold SEO. It is an SEO and link building agency to help your small business rank higher on Google. My brother's business, The Lawn Squad, it was having trouble ranking, and we started a backlink building schedule for 4 months, and Andrew is number one on Google Maps now in his town where he does lawn care, and it has accelerated his business. He sent me a text last week that said, Nick, I can't believe how much my phone is ringing. It's been an unbelievable thing. So if you want to supercharge your business and get yourself ranked higher in the Google Maps and Google search results, visit boldseo.com and set up a call with one of our reps, and you will learn a lot from the call, even if you don't end up buying link building from us. Again, boldseo.com to rank higher on Google.